You're good. All right, let's eat it.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Welcome back to Tokyo Deli. It's your boy Jumpman Hardy. Today we are in Yoyogi Park and this is Shibuya. We are going to look out for the transparent toilets in Tokyo that you've been hearing about. Your boy is Jumpman Hardy. You're back again to Tokyo Deli. Let's go. Now we are in the transparent toilet and this is the guide map, so just in case you're here, so you can, if you don't know how to use it by the way, you can check out the guide map and you can say for the baby beds, there is a baby bed right here and there's a baby chair as well, very fantastic. And if you look at this description, it says glass will become opaque when the door is locked. Be sure to lock the door, which is very important for privacy reasons. And we are going to show you in a minute what it feels like to be inside. Let's go in. Yeah? Big Alright, so as you can see on this video, this is how it looks. This is the diaper changing station whereby you can keep your baby and change the diaper. And on this side, there is a baby seat where your child can sit down while you do your thing, which is private. And I mean, it's a whole lot of things to see here. And this is a heavy flush and a light flush. And I mean, if you can read the kanji and the Japanese characters, you can see all of it right here. I don't need to explain that to you.
これは渋谷区の綺麗なトイレをちょっとアピールするためにこのトイレを、はい、いつも綺麗なトイレを利用者の方に使っていただくように、そうですね、これ透明に、普段こうやって透明なんですけど、中に鍵かけると半透明になるので、ちょっと多少女性の利用者の方とか、多少多分勇気、使用するのにちょっと勇気いるかもしれませんが、特に安全面では問題ないと思いますので。
So, thank you very much everybody for watching. This is transparent toilets in Tokyo. I mean, when you come to Shibuya, anytime, any day you can come here. And don't forget, this is your boy Jumpman Hardy on Instagram. You can follow me and follow Tokyo Deli on Instagram. Thank you very much. See you next time.